Some like the eggs a little browner. Some like them a little fluffier. Some like them more condensed. As long as you enjoy what you create. You're the one that has to eat it. In the end. I like them to where they're almost well done. Little brown. Little blend. So imagine. They probably are. But everything is. The particles. Do you want to eat just that? Is that your portion of heaven? Or is your portion, you arrive in heaven's realms, going to be plentiful? Scripture. The yoke will be easy. When you eat something, you give it life. So be careful what you eat. It's in all matter, God's particles. Scientists have researched this. But the two worlds are coming together. You want a tasty dish at the end. You want plentiful. With a blend. And sometimes you just have to think outside that biscuit. Everything's meant to get dirty at times. Sometimes things get destroyed in the process. But what you destroy, what you contaminate, what gets dirty through the process, one must self-clean up. Or you'll be in a hot surface. It's time to make things right. And if you gotta go beyond the surface, beyond the realms in prayer, it's good to get a good cleansing of one's home, one's soul, one's thoughts. The door to heaven is near.